How to read Instagram messages without them knowing. So hello guys, if you are wondering about how you can easily read your Instagram message without letting the other person know that you have seen the message but you are still trying to hide it, so how to do that? So you are in the right video. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to your Instagram application, and as you can see there is a one message. So I don't want to let this person know that I have seen the message. So what I can do is, before you click the message from over here, what you can do is simply scroll down and make sure you turn off the Wi-Fi, and just make sure you enter the airplane mode. And once you do that, you might as well turn off your location. And once you do that, just view the message from over here. And as you can see, once you view the message, what you can do is simply remove your application from the default application. And once you do that, I want you to re-enable the Wi-Fi mode. So let me just re-enable my Wi-Fi mode. And once you do that, I want you to come over to your Instagram application and simply log out from this account. So once you log out from this account, and as you can see, I'm showing you this message from my original account, that is the account which I used to send message to this page. And as you can see, it's not being seen. You can see here it's not seen. So it's that simple guys. That's exactly how you can easily read your Instagram messages without them knowing. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.